So you can see the super high gloss, no water spots. We just had rain in San Diego and I drove this all day. And it's still super shiny and glossy because of the Turtle Wax ceramic wash, the spray that you use after you wash it. I'm not getting paid, but I'll leave the links in the description for the wash and wax I use. I love it. I'm kind of OCD about keeping my cars clean, and you can just see this is dry right now, so it's not wet and shiny, but it's simple, quick to use, easy to use at home. Good stuff. Protects it, keeps it looking good.